There once was Alex, a person who used to wake up with a sense of purpose, ready to tackle the day. But lately, life had become a constant uphill battle. Every morning, a thick, invisible cloud descended, wrapping around their thoughts, making simple tasks feel like monumental challenges. This was the nightmare of brain fog. Alex felt perpetually overwhelmed, struggling to focus on work, forgetting appointments, and losing the spark that once defined them. The world seemed to move at a frantic pace, while Alex felt stuck, watching from behind a hazy veil. The problem grew worse, turning everyday moments into sources of deep frustration. Important deadlines were missed, conversations felt disjointed, and the joy of hobbies faded into a distant memory. Alex felt a constant dull ache behind their eyes, a pervasive mental sluggishness that no matter coffee or sleep could shake. It was more than just being tired. It was a profound sense of mental limitation, a feeling of being disconnected from their true potential. The vibrant, capable person Alex once was seemed to be vanishing, replaced by someone constantly stressed, unfocused, and profoundly unhappy. The nightmare was truly taking hold. Desperate for a solution, Alex tried everything: more sleep, strict diets, countless supplements, even traditional meditation techniques. For a while, there would be a flicker of hope, a brief respite from the fog, but it always returned heavier than before. Each failed attempt chipped away at Alex's confidence, deepening the despair. It felt like walking through treacle, constantly pushing, but getting nowhere. The world was full of vibrant life and success, yet Alex remained trapped in a mental prison, longing for clarity and the ability to simply think straight again. It was a lonely, exhausting journey with no end in sight. Then, one quiet evening, while scrolling through a forum, Alex stumbled upon something intriguing. It spoke of a simple 12-minute sound, a unique approach to recalibrating brainwaves and reprogramming the subconscious mind. It sounded almost too good to be true, but the testimonials resonated deeply with Alex's own struggles with brain fog and feeling limited. A small seed of hope began to sprout. Could this be the key? A simple sound, a new possibility, a way out of the mental labyrinth? Alex decided to take a chance, feeling a reluctant curiosity about this innovative method. With a cautious optimism, Alex began to incorporate the simple 12-minute sound into their daily routine. At first, it was just a quiet listening, a moment of stillness in the chaos. But gradually, subtly, a shift began. The heavy cloud in Alex's mind started to dissipate. Thoughts became clearer, focus sharpened. The overwhelming feeling began to recede, replaced by a newfound sense of mental peace and efficiency. It was like waking up after a long, restless sleep, seeing the world with fresh eyes. Alex felt a surge of energy and confidence, effortlessly tackling tasks that once seemed impossible. The world no longer felt like a struggle. It felt full of potential. This simple sound was truly giving Alex their life back. Now, the nightmare of brain fog is a distant memory. Alex wakes up each day with incredible clarity, a sharp focus, and boundless energy. Work projects are completed with ease and creativity, personal relationships thrive with renewed presence and connection, and a deep sense of happiness and purpose has returned. Alex feels completely reconnected with their true self, no longer limited by mental sluggishness or anxiety. The brain's full potential has been unlocked, leading to a life of vibrant health, deep happiness, and limitless success. The person Alex once was, lost in the fog, has not only returned, but has transformed into a more empowered and joyful individual. If you, like Alex, have been battling the nightmare of brain fog, feeling limited, overwhelmed, and disconnected from your true potential, know that there is a path to reclaim your life. Imagine what it would feel like to experience unwavering clarity, sharp focus, and boundless energy, effortlessly attracting the success, health, and happiness you deserve. Discover how a simple sound can reprogram your mind and give you your life back. The link to learn more and begin your own transformation is right here in the description below. Don't let brain fog hold you back any longer.